Guys, this is the front page. Okay, once you will download, when you open this application you will see this kind of interface. Okay, here you have to enter your mobile number. Okay, it will be verified with the OTP number. Okay, you will receive the OTP when you enter here your mobile number. Okay, so first you have to enter here and then you have to click here. Okay, here. Okay, so I'll enter this. See, it will ask terms and condition when you click down. Okay, here when you click here it will ask you terms and condition. Okay, you have to click yes. Okay, it will now send us the OTP on our number. Okay, so here is the OTP, then click OK. Okay, display name it is asking. Okay, you can keep anything like see, you can keep anything. Okay, it will ask what describe you best. Okay, as a trader. Okay, interested in, you can select Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, then OK, then again you can click OK. Okay, at down. Okay, you can uncheck these people. Okay, you can uncheck these people. Okay, just click here. Okay, now the main thing is here you have to search. Here you can see search icon. Okay, at number 3. Okay, in down. So here you have to search my name. Okay, Pawan Kukreja. Okay, so see, when you search here Pawan Kukreja, you will see Bank Nifty Premium Call at the rate Bank Nifty Premium Call. Okay, just click here and follow me. Okay, first you have to follow and please click here turn on. Okay, turn on. Okay, then you can chat with me also. Okay, also you can buy my services. You can see here this is the service option. Okay, services, just click here services. Okay, it is asking go to app advanced battery optimization and select don't optimize. Okay, you can do it later also. Okay, no problem. See, here is a service, you have to click here somewhere here. Okay, anywhere here. See, when you see these are the service information. Okay, you can read this, you can read FAQ also. Okay, this is my URL. Okay, here you can copy also, you can share also. That's another part. But here see, if you want to subscribe my service, you can do see, you can click here on subscribe. Okay, just click here. See, you will get a demo also here. Okay, if you click here demo and proceed to payment, it will not take your payment but it will activate your demo. Okay, you can take my monthly service, quarterly services, half yearly, okay, yearly service. Okay, you can take any of the above. Okay, if you want you can take. Okay, so here see, various discounts are available. Okay, if you choose to opt my plan, okay, let's say of quarterly, have a discount code here, you can see. Okay, at down here you can apply the code. Okay, as of now code is available for 2 days. Okay, premium call, the code is premium call as of today. Okay, today is 17th May. Okay, so here you can use discount. Okay, like this, let's say premium call. Okay, you can apply this. Okay, see here you see applied to eligible plan below. Okay, so here 10% you will get discount. Okay, so see, previous price was 2000. Okay, now is 1800. Here previous price was 13,000. Here you will get 11,700 rupees. Okay, you have to pay for 1 year. Okay, so let's say if you want as of now if you want only demo. Okay, so you can directly click start free trial. Okay, here. Okay, then the service has been subscribed. Okay, uh, see, the duration is for 3 days only. Okay, till 20 May I can use this free of cost. Okay, view services, if you click on view services. Okay, here is the service. Okay, if you want to extend you can extend from here. Okay, you have to pay. Okay, you have to use coupon code premium call and you have to pay. Okay, some amount. Okay, then service will be activated for a more extended period. Okay, now thing is this, where you will get exactly my notification. Okay, see here, here it is star type of symbol you can see at 4 number. Okay, if you click here is on a star type symbol, here you will see bank nifty option and equity service premium call. Okay, so once you will click here, you can see my notification here. Okay, once I'll post, okay, today I have launched my new service. Okay, I'll post from tomorrow onwards. Okay, from here. Okay, so you will get here notification every time whenever you whenever I post anything, you will get also notification also here. Okay, on upward. Okay, also you will get here here you can see everything. Okay, every post I publish. Okay, you will going to see here every message I post. Okay, every graph, whatever analysis I put here, you can see here. Okay, so now important thing is make sure to change, I mean make sure to enable the notifications. Okay, see first you have to go to setting option. Okay, on your phone, just go to setting options. Okay, setting options, here is one notification. Okay, just notification, go to notification, and here you see front page. Okay, just find out front page if you can't see here. Guys, yeah, video is on. Okay, I thought video was off. Okay, see guys, here you have to click notification. Okay, and here you have to check a front page. Okay, whether this notification is enabled, means on or off. Okay, you have to check. You have to on this. If it is off, you have to on this. Okay, then only you will get my notification, otherwise you will not get my notification, guys. So make sure to on this. Okay, once you on, leave it. Okay, then you will get everything. Also you will get notification here. Okay, in the application you can check here. Okay, so so guys, this is here once you see I was in a once you click here on the menu side option. Okay, you will see settings option. Okay, you can go with here on setting options. Here is the notification setting, one option, push notification. Okay, just click here and make sure to enable this. Okay, make sure to enable all. Okay, uh, yes guys, make sure guys, see if you click here by mistake, you have turned off the notification of Pawan Kukreja. Okay, so you have to click here. Okay, by default you will get on notification, but make sure whenever you will miss the notification, make sure to click here. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, so you can enjoy my calls. Okay, you can make the payment if you want. You can subscribe my service. Okay guys, so here we'll share valuable calls only. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this. Bye.